Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. That makes you a bunny. That makes us Kendra and the bunnies. Today, I'm showing you a little bit of insight on some things that I'm going to be getting for family members and loved ones for the upcoming holidays, whether it's a New Year's gift, a Hanukkah gift, Christmas gift, or just a general fun holiday gift. There is always something sweet to be desired. So we're going to unbox an Amazon find that I found, and it looks so yummy. I'm hoping I don't end up eating all of the treats here on camera because this is supposed to be a gift. This is by Hazel and Cream. I did find it on Amazon, linked below and linked in my description. You can also find this in my Amazon shop. That is amazon.com/shop/KenBunny. It is creamy, it is sweet, it is dipped in chocolate, and I love this presentation. So it comes just like this, sealed, vacuum sealed wrap. This brand offers a few different types of treats too. They've got chocolate covered pretzels, they've got chocolate covered almonds, they've got cookies, they've got truffles and chocolates. And then here on the back, they do include all the ingredients in case there's any allergies that could potentially come up. You don't have to worry because the ingredients are listed on the back. This is what you see when you open it up. Ooh. Yum, this smells so good. Okay, and for the final reveal. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, so we've got like a rainbow sprinkled white chocolate covered Oreo. These are Oreos covered in chocolate. Then we've got this little bit of chocolate crunch Oreo covered in chocolate. Then we've got a white chocolate Oreo covered in caramel. Then we've got a white chocolate Oreo with rainbow sprinkles. We've got a chocolate Oreo with nuts. We have a white chocolate with caramel here. Oh my gosh, so delicious. Okay, so we're gonna go with this white chocolate covered Oreo. It's covered in rainbow sprinkles. Oh my God. That is so good. This is how it looks on the inside. These are so delicious. This is so good. Linked below where you can pick up the Hazel and Cream Sweet Confections chocolate covered Oreos on Amazon. They are so delicious. Perfect and easy gift. You can send them directly to friends and family or order some for yourself to have at home. Peace.